Okay, I'm just trudging down the road. I found a way to save money. Don't bring my face shield. If I bring my face shield, I tend to go in more places than I go in without it. Why? Because I gotta find a face shield to buy before I enter an establishment. And they don't make it easy, so. Boom, instant savings. Okay. Like that trike driver kept hollering, "Trike, trike!" I didn't ask him for a trike ride, did I? No. No, I don't want no ride. I'm gonna head up the road to the Matayan area. Balik lang, kuya. Hello. I'm fine. A lot of these people begging, I'll give them food. I don't feed everybody. I don't give everybody money. If I think you're really in need and I have it to spare, no problem. Well, it's really low tide now. Okay, I'm on the Subic side now. I'm no longer in Barrio Barreto. Different rules. Like in the Olongapo side. Downtown, children can enter the malls now. Children can enter fast food establishments. This side? Nope. What is this guy doing? I don't know if this guy's gonna park or what. Okay, heading down the road. I am definitely getting tired. Hello. They look like they wanted to say hi to me. So I say hi to you first. That sucker's heavy. Yes. Very heavy. Hello. So hot and no chimney.
Very hard.
You're a good dancer. I see you. Your sister?
My daughter.
You're kidding. That's your mom?
Yeah.
Really? Wow. You're so young looking.
Thank you.
I'm not the first one who said that, huh? So many said that, right? Okay, well, you're both beautiful.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
You too. Sorry, full. We only said it for the camera, guys. We don't have to get malicious and talk bad. Okay? Okay, I'm coming up on the border control checkpoint. They only tend to check people who are in vehicles and on motorcycles. Guys like me walking, they don't have no concern over me. Can you guys believe, and this is God's truth, Marco from Overstay, he actually walked all the way down here to Walter Mart. And that's a long ways to walk. Yeah, give a big shout out for Mark in Overstay Road. Hello. How are you? Take care. Anybody that could walk all the way to Walter Mart got my respect.